Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Michael and today's episode is about building some soft jaws for my 5-inch Tormach Vise. The Tormach 5-inch Vise comes with two steel jaws which are held in place by two bolts, and you might notice that the holes for those bolts are not centered. The distance to the top is smaller than the distance to the bottom. The idea is to build soft jaws which can be flipped so that you can get more use out of it. You can use them then on both sides, but that requires, instead of round holes here, two vertical slots. In case you're not familiar with soft jaws or what they're used for, I'll give you an example. When I built this holding clamp for the dust shoe for my mill, to machine the top side on the mill is rather easy because you just have a square piece of aluminum and can hold it in place. But if you flip the part, now you have this oddly shaped model which you cannot hold in a square vise. So what you're going to do is you place the jaws, you mill this circumference out of aluminum in the jaws, and then you can clamp it safely in place. I did the backside of this part actually on my lathe and it took much longer than expected, so eventually I built some soft jaws to make life a little bit easier. Okay, so this is the finished part, and you would use that, and then, for example, for this part, you would just mill out this contour here, and then you could clamp that like that. And this is how it would go on the vise. You can put it either that way, and if this side is used, then you can flip it over and you can use the jaw again, so it saves you some parts. Alright, this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm looking forward to see you very soon.